Hey guys, your product page is where the magic happens. If it doesn't convert, your ads, traffic, and effort go to waste. Let's fix that. Here's the top optimization tip for Shopify product pages that actually work. Start with high quality, zoomable images, multiple angles, lifestyle shots, and even short product videos if possible. Use clean layout with a large readable product title and price right up front. Now, step 2 is writing benefit-driven description. So, skip the manufacturer's jargon. Explain how the product solves a problem or make life easier. You can also navigate to product section, open your product page and click on the generate text icon and type in explain how my product, then enter the name of your product, will solve problem or make life better. Now, you can choose the tone and click on generate and Shopify AI will instantly generate a description for you that will be tailored as a benefit driven description. Click on keep and click on save. Now, you can refresh the page and see that your description will be updated and it will look much better. Now, add social proof. Install applications like Looks or Judge.me to display photo reviews and ratings. Highlight real customer experiences, seeing others love your products build instant trust. Now, keep the Add to Cart button large and a color that stands out. Display available variants like size or color clearly and show real-time stocks if possible. Add a small urgency prompt like only 3 left. Now, step 5 is building trust with badges and policies. So include trust badges near the buy button like secure checkout or 30-day guarantee. Link your shipping and return policies from the product page to reassure hesitant buyers. Now, step 6 is cross-selling and upselling smartly. So use Shopify applications like Reconvert or Frequently Bought Together to show related products. It's a smart way to increase average order value without being pushy. Test everything, different images, buttons, and placements, even headlines. Great product pages don't just describe, they sell. If this video helped, like the video, subscribe for more Shopify strategies, and drop a comment what's one thing you will change on your product page today. And I will see you in the next video.